Today's video is about ankle pain. Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shiny Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about ankle pain. We'll be doing some simple yogic practices, some sukshma vyam that will help you get rid of your ankle pain. So let's begin. So ankle pain is a very common thing that we experience because not many of us realize the fact that the weight of the whole body is carried on our ankles. और हमारे ankles काफ़ी ज़्यादा दुखना शुरू कर देते हैं because हम उनकी तरफ कभी ध्यान ही नहीं देते. Like we exercise for all other body parts, it's very important for us to also exercise our ankles. Because guess what? They make the foundation of our daily routine. We are standing, we are sitting, we are taking the stairs. No matter what we are doing, ankles take the weight of the whole body and the burden to carry the weight of the whole body. So it's very important that we strengthen them, otherwise, they will keep hurting you. तो इनको स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए, इनको और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए आज हम कुछ बेसिक मूवमेंट्स करेंगे. These are called सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, gentle rotations, and then we will also do some strengthening movements. So you can practice along this video with me and see the results by yourself. So let's begin. To do this, I want you to take a comfortable sitting position. आप इसको चेयर पे बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं या मैट पे भी कर सकते हैं. First, we'll use a cushion or a block, anything that helps you elevate your hips slightly high, and then we will extend the legs in the front. Keep your feet slightly open, and first, what we'll do is we'll point and flex the feet. हम सिर्फ पैरों को पॉइंट करेंगे, मतलब पंजों को अपने से दूर लेके जाएंगे. Then we will bring the toes towards the face. So let's do it together a few times. Point and flex, point and flex, point and flex. You will see the stretch in the ankles. Point your toes, toes को अपने से दूर लेके जाएं, and then flex your feet, bring the toes towards your face. We'll do this again. Point and flex. You'll feel the work in the knees as well. Point, flex, point. Very nice. Flex, focus, point and flex. Now we will point and flex alternatively. मतलब एक पैर point करेगा तो दूसरा flex करेगा, इस तरीके से. Okay, let's do it 10 times. Point one and flex the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do 10 more since you guys are doing it so well. 10 par और करते हैं. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, point 1 flex other, 6, stretch completely, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very nice. Now we'll open the feet slightly wide. पैरों को थोड़ा खोल के रखेंगे. We'll drop the toes inwards and try to touch the big toes. And then we'll drop the toes outwards and try to touch the smallest pinky toe to the ground. तो पैरों को अंदर की ओर और फिर बाहर की ओर इस तरीके से stretch करेंगे. This is also very important for the mobility of your ankles. So let's do this 10 times. In and out, in and out. Normal breathing करते रहेंगे. In, out, stretch it out. Fourth, stretch, in, out, in. Point your toes inwards, stretch them out. Seventh, very nice. 8, 9, in, out. Last one, in and out. Beautiful. Now we will make circles with the ankles. हम circular movement करेंगे. पैरों को थोड़ा खोल के रखें, गैप रखें पैरों में. First we will point the toes inwards, push them down away from you, then outwards and then towards you. So अंदर से बाहर की ओर. ठीक है? 10 times we'll do this and 10 times we'll do the reverse. Let's go with me together. 1, 2, point, out, in, inwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Reverse करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, बाहर से अंदर की ओर. 4, अच्छे से स्ट्रेच करें, आराम से करें, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. 5, 6, take your time. 7, 8, 9 and last one, 10 and relax. Now bend your knees, bring the feet close to you, hug your knees, observe how it feels. We were working on the ankle mobility. Now we will work on the ankle strengthening. पहले हमने ankles को थोड़ा loosen up किया ये सारे rotation से, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम से. अब हम इसको थोड़ा strong करेंगे. To do this, what we'll do is, even if you have knee pain, you can still do this. You can use a chair to sit, a low stool actually, not a chair, low stool. And what we'll do is, we'll take the hands forward, come on to the toes. Like you can see, मेरे toes mat पे हैं, heels ऊपर है. And we'll try to push the heels down towards the ground. Again, go forward and push the body weight back. तो थोड़ा सा बॉडी वेट को फॉरवर्ड लेके जाएंगे, हाथों पे थोड़ा सा भार एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे एंड देन पुश द हील्स डाउन. हो सकता है कि आपके हील्स मैट से टच ना करें. It is very much possible that your heels will not be able to touch the mat, which is absolutely okay. Push it down towards the mat to feel that ankles and the weight of your body on the ankles. So let's do this 10 times. Shift the body weight forward and down, backwards, forward, push the inhale forward, see if you can sit completely. Great. 5, 6, inhale forward, exhale, push the heels down. 7, lift them up, push them down. 8, 9, one last time, push the heels down. 10. You can also hold the edges of your mat if you're falling back. This will give you stability. Now stay here for a few breaths. कुछ पल के लिए यहाँ रुकेंगे. Feel the weight on your ankles and let the body weight be there. You'll feel a lot of stretch. Hold here for a few breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Please stay, stay, stay. I know it's hard. Stay. 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. You can come out of the posture. This is actually similar to Kagasana, very essential for your ankles. The last posture that we will do, it's called Malasana. For that, you can use a block under your hips. अगर आपसे इतना नीचे नहीं बैठा जाता तो आप 2 blocks भी रख सकते हैं. You can use 2 blocks under your hips and sit in this posture. People initially used to sit like this to do potty, which was very good for your ankles because when we were using Indian toilet seats, हम इसी तरह बैठते थे और हमारे एंकल के लिए वो बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज थी. अब लोगों ने ज़मीन पे बैठना बंद कर दिया है, इसमें एंकल्स में पेन होता रहता है. So our ancestors knew what was the right thing for us. And I would encourage you to take some time out to sit in this posture every single day. If you are not very flexible, use 2 blocks or a small stool, sit on it like this. And use your elbows to push the knees away from each other. Rest your ankles on the ground. If it is easy for you, stick to only 1 block and you will feel more weight on the ankles. अगर ये भी आपके लिए आसान है and you're feeling no weight on the ankles, then don't use a block. Don't use a support. Sit with your hips low and you will feel a lot of weight coming to the ankles now. And choose your variation, जो भी आपको comfortable लगे. आपके ankles में भार थोड़ा pressure महसूस होना चाहिए तभी वो strong बनेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं. Simple है ना? So place your palms together, push your elbows outwards, feel the stretch in the ankles and the strength in the ankles, lifting the chest up. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Few more breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale with a smile, lifting the chest. Beautiful, very nice. And release the posture. So this was some simple movements, yogic practices, postures that will give you relief from the ankle pain. Mobility and strengthening of ankles both are important. Okay? So make sure you practice these regularly. And if you like this video, if you found this useful, please share it with your friends, family, elders, nana, nani, dada, dadi, मम्मी पापा जिनके भी पैरों में एंकल्स में पेन रहता है उनसे वीडियो ज़रूर शेयर करें ताकि उनको भी मदद मिल सके. They will also benefit from this and of course you will be happier because they are happy. So with this we have come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.